Hi. So today we're going to talk about another dress of mine. It's a. I like this dress because of the color, of course. As you can see, it's a nice long kind of dress. You can wear it casually, and it's like a no-brainer, right? So, but why I don't wear this is because I had given it for ironing once, and it came back with this. It came back with this hole, right? So because of which I cannot really wear it very confidently. Right? So I'm going to repair this. I'm going to mend it, do something about this hole, and therefore add some more value, right? So let's get started.